Hi, welcome to the video training series. My name is Carl. Today we're looking at the content area and we're going to be looking at page properties part 2. Okay, we're going to be looking at additional headers. Firstly, we see enter the Google Analytics code. Okay, you can have a Google Analytics account which will analyze your site where the traffic has come from. It's got some very handy tools and I highly recommend it. There's two areas that you can actually add the code. You can add it to this one and you receive code, and what you need to do is add the section after UA and then the number, and you need to do that on every page that you want analyzed. But if you want to have every single page to be indexed by Google Analytics, you go to Options, then you go to Search Engine Options and you select Google Analytics code. Now in this instance you do need to copy and paste all of the code that they give you, and what this will do, this will make every page on your website automatically have the Google Analytics code. So I'll just cancel that for the moment. Okay, delete that. The next table is additional scripts for JavaScript and more advanced workings. Do be careful here because some JavaScript can affect the look of your website. If you do need to use something like this, try it out. If you have some errors, just let us know. The next tab over is Layout. Layout is to highlight a specific menu. So I'll just go to the web page. Now let's just say, okay, we're working on the home page. At the moment, they're just standard menus. If we decide, for instance, we want the menu to be larger and stand out, we can select Top Extra Color. Now, when we select that, if we go to the template editor and select Style Preview, then down to Top Menus, we expand that and go to Top Menu Extra Colors. Okay, so here we see that we've got Top Menu Off will be grey, Top Menu On is burgundy. So when we're just looking at the heading, it's grey. When you hover over it, it's gone to burgundy. And you can also do the same with sub menus as well. So I'll just close that for the moment. Go back. So we're going to be selecting the grey and the burgundy. Now we'll just go OK to that and we'll see how that looks. Actually, we'll just center that menu. We'll go OK and we shall synchronize. And we'll just have a look on the website and we'll refresh the page. Okay, now we can see we have a grey menu and it's larger than the other menus, because with these menus here they auto expand to the size of the text, but this one here we've actually overridden that. And when I hover, we then have the burgundy effect. Okay, I'll just go back, page properties and layout. Next one is background image. This can set a background image throughout that through the entire page. Now there is a section in table properties that we can insert a background image for a table. This will do it for the entire page, but just be careful with that because it's very hard to get an image that won't distract too much from your message, and plus colors of an image. Now if you have an image that has black in it and white in it and you have black text, you're going to lose the black text. You won't be able to see it over the image. Same as if you're using white text on your website and you've got a white image, you won't be able to see it. So just do select your images carefully. Essentially what you would do at that point, you would browse for a photo and you can either have a repeat or no repeat. So you can have it repeating across the page or repeating down the page, and you can also position the image to these characteristics here. Okay, that concludes the video training for this series on additional headers and layout. Thank you very much.